Good morning. Welcome to the experiential learning. Today we'll be discussing how to do things differently in the COVID pandemic stricken age to gain more experience because experiences are the gateways of knowledge. For that, I will take you to my wonderful world of experience where you can do things differently. To make it precise, this is the setup I am having at my home, through which you can also experience how you can make things differently by making use of available resources in our surroundings. Okay, the material displayed here on the display board are some words and some materials. I think you are able to identify these materials. Let me take a little bit closer to it. A book, a pen stand with pen, my experiential learning project, the master project, and the feathers which makes the wings of fire. So here also you can see the 5 elements out of which your body is constituted. Please feel that your body is consisting of these 5 elements: the earth, the water, the fire, and the ether, which is the component of the biosphere in a small ecosystem also you can see here. Now we are going to do things differently with these materials. How you can make a lab setup to conduct an experiment where you will be using the same materials which we used differently for making a water bath, for making a alcohol bath, for conducting simple experiments of grade 10 standards, and not only for 10th, for everybody in your house also you can make with the help of these 5 elements. Let's try. I'm just going to rehash out the same thing into the form of a lab setup. Please observe. Let us have a closer outlook of my board. So the first line goes: inspire to aspire, wings of fire. So you have to inspire to aspire. If you have wings of fire, you can gain the experience, and it will be the gateway to monumental success. Inspire to aspire, experience, it will be the gateway to monumental success, so that you can aspire to live. The aspects here they are describing. You can see how you can gain experience which will help you to the monumental gateway of success. You can make use of doing things differently because the fallen feathers also can teach you that they are the parts of the wings, and wings of fire. Not only wings, wings of fire. And in life also, the experience should be aimed at. You have to fix your aim in life, what you want to become, or how can you make use of the best out of waste for saving nature and environment by making use of the earth, water, fire, and ether, finally saving the biosphere. So now I am going to make you with these equipments a biolab setup, okay, for making a boiling things in water, at the same time boiling the items in alcohol also. How we can do it? Let's try. I will just arranging these materials. So this is a pen stand, okay, inside which I put a paper, gateway to monumental success, okay, wings of fire. I got some experience with which I am taking you to make these elements to make a water bath. Okay, I have placed my lamp inside the pen case. I am placing my ball, steel ball, on it. Keep it for some time. I am pouring water also for making a water bath. Only 10 ml of water is used to make this water bath. This will also help you to save water. The concept of saving water, the concept of saving the earth, the concept of saving the air, everything is very much important in the present world. So you can see the bubbles coming. It's already getting hot. The water is getting hotter. You can see the water is getting heated up. Bubbles started coming. So it started boiling. So after making the water bath, the experiment we are supposed to perform here was yesterday. That is how to identify the importance of chlorophyll in photosynthesis. So for that we have made yesterday, we used our domestic stove. So today we are not using any domestic stove, no biogas wastage, only the lamp which we are doing for the prayer in front of the Lord. Also you might be burning candle, or you will be burning morning prayer lights. The same oil, the same lamp, you can place it in a pen stand so that you can make a water bath and you can boil a leaf. If you keep the boil of the leaf will get boiled. So this is the first step we have done. So only 10 ml of water. Okay, only a little bit oil, very little oil is used, and you are getting the result here. So this is the first step, to boil the leaf in water. Okay, this is the first step for experiment number 1, which we have done yesterday already. Now let us do the second step, to make a alcohol bath. What we have to do? So for making alcoholic bath also, here you can see it is very safe. The light is not at all getting any more further, it is not getting